What I'm showing here is a barionet 50 from barix, and so this device is an I/O control. It's got 4 contact inputs, 4 relay outputs here. Here's where the power connects to it. It does not come with a power supply, so you have to order it with the power supply from barix, and you'll get this adapter and this connector already put on, and that way you know you've got the correct power for this input right here. This is actually to connect more relays or more inputs on here as a daisy chain if you wanted to. And you can get information on this device is you go to the barix downloads page, and here you can get information on all our devices. So from here you could find the manual. You see it's a big 124-page manual on the barionet. Quick install guide as well too, showing you the connections I just showed you there. Here's the inputs, here's the relay outputs. Now, so once you bring this device up in a web page, it's going to want to pull DHCP when you power it up. So you find it in the router on the network. If you need a discovery tool for your network, again, from the downloads tab, you can get the discovery tool. Just ask for a login for that. Let's see. And see, then you'll have access. Once you get the login, you'll have access to all of our firmwares and software tools, and that's where the discovery tool is at. So once you get into the web page, you'll see you can define the network settings here. And now a quick application I can go over with a little bit here is the SNMP. Here you can control the device. You set the trap receivers in and the repeat time and whether you want to activate the inputs or not. The relay outputs can also be controlled from this. And this is being used heavily right now with Informacast from Singlewire. And here when I go to their page, you'll see they've got their M2M plugin OID reference, and you'll see there's the barix barionet 50, and it has the OIDs, the numbers and data you need to program this barionet 50 to work for the inputs and outputs on Informacast. I think a lot of schools are using it for panic buttons or the relay output to control door locks.